Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we'll be doing our nails. So this is just a pic of the stuff that we're going to be using and what you'll see throughout the video. So we're using the BT Art box nails, and here I am just sizing the nail tips to my fingernails and putting them aside so I'd be able to be organized and get things done quickly. So I'm just going through getting my correct sizes before I take them off of the card of nails. And then what we're going to do is finish prep my natural nails. Now my natural nails have been prepped, and what I'm putting here is base coat. So I put a coat of base coat onto my natural nails, all of them, capping the ends until I'm done. And then what I would do is, after adding another coat, because my nails are very weak, I cure for 60 seconds, of course. When I'm done with that, what I'm going to do now is to apply the nails onto each of the fingers. So I take the corresponding nail to each finger and I add the BT Art Box gel glue, and that is what I'm using with the flash cure light in order to add hair nails onto my natural nails. So if you look at the video, you'll see exactly what I'm doing. I'm adding the gel. Any excess gel I see coming off of it, I'm using a toothpick, as we're seeing here, and I'm just cleaning that up before it's fully cured. And this video would have been about 30-40 minutes long if I didn't cut it down. So this is just the sped up version of how I do my nails at home. So guys, we're just here and basically we're doing the same thing over and over, and I'll just chime back in when something new is happening. So guys, I've just applied all the nails onto my fingers here, and again I'm curing for 60 seconds. You must do this, it's very important. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding a layer of builder gel onto the nails, and this first coat is to protect the design whilst I file my cuticles and maybe close to where the French tip is. This protects it so it doesn't crack up the design and the design stays well. This is a little trick that I do. You know, we all do what we do, but I'm just explaining to you guys what I do at first. So after doing this, what I'll do is, again, you have to cure gel until it's fully cured. So I'm going to, after cleaning it up, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So after curing it for the 60 seconds, what I'm going in now is just using the nail file and taking off the little nib that the nails usually have from being attached to the card of nails. And I was trying to use this bit, but it was not working. So I changed to a more specific cuticle bit, and I decided to use that to clean up around my cuticle for any, gel that spilled. But again, the builder gel or the coat of builder gel does protect the nail to a point when you're doing this finish filing here. So guys, I'll just chime back in again when I'm doing something different. Basically what I'm doing here is just filing around the cuticle, making sure it looks as natural as possible, and I'll get back to you guys when something else is happening. So what I'm doing here is using some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just removing the dust and any debris that's on the nails so that the nails will be clean and ready for whatever step I'm going to do next. So what I'm going to do now that I've finished filing is I'm going to add my second coat of the builder gel to the nails. So that is what I'm doing here, guys. I'm just adding that coat of builder gel. This helps strengthen the nail. Although BT Art Box nails are really strong, this for me is just an extra step to make sure my nails last a really long time. Usually I have to soak off my nails. They don't break, chip, they don't come off basically. So that's what I'm doing here, and again I'll chime back in when there is something new happening. Don't forget, when you're done with this step, please cure for 60 seconds. So after adding my second coat to protect my nails, what I'm doing here is I'm adding the 50 Shades of Nails glitter top coat. Now I'll just pop in a picture for you to see what it looks like, guys, and it is this gorgeous top coat. It's a no wipe top coat, and then I'm adding the Flawless Concepts gem gel. Now guys, I love this gem gel. It was very reasonable, and I use this to adhere my gems, and my gems go nowhere. So and I did not cure the top coat as yet. So I put the top coat on, and then I add the gem gel, and now I'm adding my gems, sorry. So when I add my gems, when I've placed it exactly where I need it to go, I flash cure between every design. So that's what I'm doing there. So I'm just moving on. It's a simple design I'm doing. I'm just putting 3 beads on my thumb, 1 bead on each of my fingers except for my ring finger, where that one I'm adding a diamond bow. So guys, basically that's what I'm doing. If it is you look at what I'm doing, you would see exactly how I'm applying it, what I'm doing. But remember, I did not cure the top coat before I added the gem gel. So here I'm going to apply the gemmed bow, but guys, when you're applying heavier gems or gems, you basically have to put more of the gem gel in order to hold this in place. So what I do is I would put a bit onto the nail, I would apply the gem onto the gem gel, and then I would place additional gem gel around the gem that I'm applying so that it will not be able to hook or pull on anything when you're using your fingers to do certain things in your daily life. When I'm done with everything, I go back over each nail, not the gems, with the top coat that I showed you all before, and then that's basically the end of it. So guys, just keep watching the video and you all will see what the design looks like at the end, and how easy it was in order to get this design. And I thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And guys, please interact with my videos. Please like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.